The EY Next Wave Leadership Award honors rising professionals who are leading the future of our cultural community. And the finalists are Tara Bardeen for founding of Go Play Denver, which inspires people to explore Denver's arts and cultural offerings.
Go Play Denver started in 2012 as this kind of idea I had to get people out into the city. So Go Play Denver consists of a website with some great guides to give people ideas of what should I do around town, curated calendar with a lot of free and low-cost arts and culture activities, and then a weekly newsletter. We've expanded from at first just having a website to then a more intensive Twitter presence, to Facebook, and to Instagram. Try Me Tickets was a fun social media interactive component that we did last winter, where we took pairs of tickets to different museums and then hid them around Denver and posted photo clues on Facebook, Twitter, and people would go and find them. A lot of the people who found them were first-time visitors to the venues tickets they had found. Denver at Your Fingertips was an 8-week series that we did in collaboration with Base Coat Nail Salon. Each week what we did was create nail art inspired by that art venue. So for the Clifford Still Museum, they actually were Clifford Still painted, hand-painted nails, and then the Clifford Still Museum offered free admission to all of my readers. I'm a native of this city. I love my city, and am thrilled to see how it has grown over the years and just the sheer number of opportunities that are now available and the richness of the arts and culture scene here.
Will Chan for using the arts to aid in the integration of new immigrants through the Denver Public Library.
So I'm the first generation immigrant. I didn't grow up with the arts, and then I went to college, I went to New York, and then I traveled abroad a lot. And really came to appreciate the arts. I wanted to bring that back when I came back to Denver. We work with immigrants and refugees in our community. When I started in this role 5 years ago, it was really to try to bridge and find ways to reach out to this population in holistic means. There's a few projects I'm really proud about. One of them is called the How I Made It program, the intersection of business, creativity, and the community. So the Denver Public Library has a membership pass program called the Plaza Passport that we work with various culturals around the state and the city. We check out family pass memberships to immigrant refugee populations across the Denver Public Library locations so that if they are excited about the arts, that cost isn't a barrier. In the past year, we've had 30,000 participants in these programs. I got appointed to the Denver Asian Pacific American Commission, and I was also working with the White House for seeing the profile for Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders in our state, in our region. Got appointed to be on the Denver County Cultural Council, and that has been an amazing experience for me because there's so many cultural offerings that we have in the state. We have 11 different libraries that are providing immigrant refugee programs using the arts. It's a universal language. I think every population can appreciate it.
Deanne Gertner for advancing the arts through her board service, volunteerism, and professional career.
I believe that arts are an innate part of being human. So creativity, storytelling, self-expression are all important to all of us. I've dedicated my adult life to the arts. My day job, I work in the visual arts for art consulting firm 9 Arts. I serve on the board at Lighthouse Writers Workshop, a literary arts center, and in my spare time, I review dance performances and write articles for Presenting Denver. So at 9 Arts, I'm a project manager, so I help with the logistics when we curate and procure a collection for a client. I've also been heavily involved in our blog, ... At 9 Arts, we give artists free advice on how to make a career in the arts. My work at Lighthouse Writers Workshop, I've been involved with the Big Read, which is a program of the National Endowment for the Arts. Also at Lighthouse, I'm the development chair of the board, so I'm always trying to think of ways to raise Lighthouse's fundraising efforts and get more people involved. Being involved with so many different types of arts organizations just really feeds my soul. And I know that every time I write about a performance or create a purchase order to an artist or ask someone to support a program at Lighthouse, that I'm helping to support the entire arts community.